Welcome back to our channel. I'm Kim, graphics designer for the AI Neural Noob Network. Today we're going to talk about a topic that's become increasingly important in this digital age: graphics. Graphics play a crucial role in our digital world. They make content more engaging and can significantly enhance the user experience on digital platforms. So what if you can't draw or you're not an artist? That's where text-to-image comes in. Today we're going to explore how text-to-image works so you can start creating your own masterpieces. Let's start with the basics. Since I already have a subscription to Midjourney, we are going to use this program as well as Blue Willow since they both happen to be on the Discord server. Now this isn't a Midjourney tutorial or a comparison with Blue Willow. There is way too much stuff to cover with Midjourney, so we'll have to save that for a future video. Just to give you some background, as of right now, Midjourney does not have a free trial, but Blue Willow does give you some credits to create free images daily. If you happen to end up getting Midjourney or Blue Willow, the first thing you're going to need to do is create a Discord account. Then you're going to want to invite the bots to your own server. This is how you do that. We need to go to one of the newbie rooms first. Now these rooms have hundreds of people generating images at the same time, which makes it hard to find the ones you created. That's why we need our own private server. So I'm going to go over to the Midjourney bot on the right column, select Add to Server, choose the name of the server that I want to add it to, and then hit Continue. Then you have to hit Authorize and Discord will confirm that you are a human using a CAPTCHA test. Once you are authorized, you can go into the server that you assigned it to earlier. As you can see, the Midjourney bot is now in the room. I also invited the Blue Willow bot when you weren't looking. The process for inviting the bots to your server is the same for both of them. In order to generate your prompts with Midjourney or Blue Willow, you have to start every prompt with \imagine. We're going to keep it simple and just put \imagine a cat as the prompt. Now that we've entered the same prompt for Midjourney and Blue Willow, we just have to wait patiently. The image generations are not instant, and you may end up waiting for a while depending on how many people are ahead of you in the queue. Okay, they're both done. You can click on the 4 photos once they are ready to zoom in and take a closer look. I'll put the Blue Willow images on the left and the Midjourney ones on the right. Now, we're gonna get more specific and ask for a photograph of a cat. Here are the results. Looks like Blue Willow got 2 out of the 4 right, but we are using it for free, so we'll take what we can get. Now we're going to keep adding to the prompt to give our images more detail. The prompt is going to be imagine a photograph of a cat playing with a ball of red yarn in the living room. Oh no, it looks like the poor tiny kitty got stuck in the ball of yarn. I guess now would be a good time to mention that there's always a possibility that something unexpected can occur when the subject of your prompt has to interact with something, especially other people. Now, if you really want your image to be fancy, you can start name-dropping famous artists. The prompt for this will be, imagine a photograph in the style of Ansel Adams of a cat playing with a ball of red yarn in the living room. Now, the reason why I put the artist's name closer to the front of the prompt, instead of at the end, is because text-to-image programs put more weight on the words in the beginning of the prompt. If the prompt is too long, it's usually the words at the end that get ignored. We're going to change the aspect ratio of the image now. Aspect ratio deals with the width in relation to the height of the image, with the width being the first number and the height being the second. The default aspect ratio of Midjourney and Blue Willow is 1:1, which makes it a square since the width and height are the same. We're going to add --AR3:2 to the end of the last prompt to make it wider. Keep in mind, different text-to-image programs have different ways of selecting aspect ratios, so if you end up using one of those, you may not need to put the aspect ratio in the prompt. Other popular aspect ratios are 9:16, which is optimal for any media you would look at on your phone, and 16:9, which is best for viewing on TV on a PC. So we've spent all this time generating images, and now we see one that we like. Now we're going to upscale that image. Every text-to-image program will have some sort of upscaling feature which will increase the resolution and detail of the image. To upscale in Midjourney or Blue Willow, you would press one of the buttons with the letter U on it. The number next to the U corresponds to the number designation on the photo. For example, if you wanted the last photo, you would press U4. And here is our upscaled photo, which you can download to your computer. Now, if I wanted slight variations of that image instead, I would press V4. The numbering system would be the same as it was for upscaling. And here you can see that each image is only slightly different. Now if you decide that you don't like any of the images, you can press the Re-roll button and it will generate 4 new images using the same prompt. And there you go, 4 brand new images. And a very tiny cat. Well, that's all we have for today. If you want to check out some other free text-to-image programs to practice on, you can also take a look at Leonardo AI as well as the new Bing image creator powered by DALL-E. See you next time.